Hello friends! Today I have brought a new video for you. To create a website using WordPress, follow these steps. 1. Choose a hosting provider and install WordPress. Most web hosting providers offer a one-click WordPress installation. 2. Select a suitable theme for your website. WordPress has a vast collection of free and premium themes to choose from. Install and customize the theme according to your preferences. 3. Install essential plugins for added functionality, such as SEO optimization, contact forms, security, and social media integration. 4. Create web pages, blog posts, and configure menus to structure your website's content. 5. Customize the appearance and layout of your website using the WordPress customizer or theme settings. 6. Publish your website and regularly update and maintain it with fresh content and security updates. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.